Nowadays, there are many influencers in social media claiming that it is possible to generate daily income from share market, and also you can generate 5% return every month, etc. etc. Mr. Satish Prabhu, as an industry expert, what is your view on that?
I wouldn't want to comment on what influencers do, because some of them claim that we are genuine, some of them have not tested the waters. But I can certainly tell you that anything that is short term can go both ways. So you have to be very, very careful when you put in your hard-earned money with anything. I'm not only talking about influencers. We've tested cryptos. So in cryptos, we in the mutual fund industry has got about 4 crore investors. The mutual fund industry in 30 years has got only 4 crore investors. Cryptos in just 1 year got 12 crore investors. 12 crore. Why? Because they saw quick gains that they can make from cryptos. Now, all of us know what happened to crypto. Now, the question is whether you believe that story, you don't believe that story. One is a story that is slow but is certain. Another is a story that is fast but is uncertain. So the choice is yours.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.